55 divided by 55 over 5 multiply 5 is equal what? At first we can cancel out this 5 by this 5. Here 55 divided by 55. Here 55 divided by 55 gives us 1, but it is not correct. According to PEMDAS rule, here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. At first we have to work parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division are same priority. For this we have to work left to right. And according to KCF formula, here K for keep, C for change, and F for flip. Here this 55 for changing this division change by multiplication, and for flip this 55 over 5 becomes 5 over 55. Then multiplication this 5. Here this 55 cancel by this 55. Here 5 multiply this 5. 5 multiply 5 gives us 25, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.